In part 3 of how to start a business in the United States, we are going to discuss getting an employer identification number. So this is something that you really have to do. You have to register with IRS, Internal Revenue Services in the United States. And you will need this if you want to open a bank account, or you will need this every time you need to file taxes with the government. There are two types of taxes. There's a local state tax and there's a federal tax, and you will need that for both. And pretty much every time you do a business in the United States, lots of other businesses will be asking you for EIN. So how to register for EIN, it's very simple. You just go and look up EIN, or you just look up the let me find it. SS4. It's called SS4 form that you will be using for submitting the EIN. You can apply for it online, such as here on the IRS website. The issue there is that as a person who is applying, you need to have either a social security number already, or you need to have an EIN, existing EIN. As someone who is a foreigner, you obviously don't have this. So there's an option that you can apply via mail or a fax. So all you need to do is you need to download a so-called SS4 form. Let me find it. So just find SS4 like this, SS4. And it's an application form that you just fill out, and you don't need to fill out this 7B. You don't need to have this, and you just fax this to IRS or just mail it to them, and you will receive, at least that's what I did with fax, and you will receive a fax back with the EIN number. It was just written here somewhere as a note. And you can use that as a business in the United States.